Meerkat Jubilee! Click one of these buttons to choose a level. Easy, medium, hard. Easy, medium, hard. This is the spot. The party happens right here. The Meerkat Jubilee comes once every year.
But I only see one meerkat, and he doesn't look very happy.
What's that? Yes, indeed, the most unfortunate of situations. It seems our young friend forgot to deliver the invitations.
Oh no! Without the meerkats, there won't be a Meerkat Jubilee.
When the problem is a big one, it's sometimes best to be small. Hoist up the invitations! We're off to deliver them all!
This tunnel will take us to the meerkat den. It's all the way over there.
Oh my! Take a look! I see party poppers for party fun!
Be sure to collect as many party poppers as you can along the way. Let's go, go, go! Our popper collection is getting bigger. Click on the piece of tunnel that fits here. Excellent! Special delivery! Now find the tunnel piece that goes here. That piece touches the tunnel. Whoops! That piece... Nice! More party poppers! What tunnel piece goes in this spot? Off we go! This is for you. We need to find the... You make tunneling fun. Great job. You found more poppers. These poppers will be a hit at the Jubilee. Can you choose? That piece touches the tunnel on one end, but not the other. Try again. You're doing it.
You're welcome. Come on! More meerkats ahead! We still have lots of tunneling ahead before our deliveries are done.
Can you help us tunnel to the meerkats? Be sure to collect as many party poppers as you can along the way. Here you go. Hope you can make it. Click on the piece of... You're doing it. These poppers will be a hit at the Jubilee. Which tunnel piece? Nice! Special delivery! Our popper collection is getting bigger. Now find the tunnel piece that goes here. Excellent! This is for you. What tunnel piece goes... You make tunneling fun. Great job. You found more poppers. We need to find the Off we go.
You're welcome. This way for more deliveries.
Let the tunneling begin. Click on the piece of tunnel that fits here. The one that touches the tunnel. Excellent! More party poppers! Can you choose the tunnel? You make tunneling fun! Yes! More poppers for the Jubilee! Here you go! Hope you can... Which tunnel piece fits here? Nice! These poppers will be a hit at the Jubilee. Now find... Off we go! Great job! You found more poppers. Hi! We brought you this invitation. What tunnel piece goes in this spot? You're doing it!
You're welcome. We're almost there. Next stop, the Meerkat Jubilee. Meerkats in party hats? Now this is a Jubilee! Ooh, the Meerkats have a message they want me to mention. Please pop every popper you see.
Click on the party poppers to make them pop.
Click this button to play this game again. Or click this button for a different Meerkat game. Or you can click here to take a look at the page you just collected for your animal book. It's time for more tunneling fun. Tunnel to the Meerkats and...
Now, please. Yes, that's right. Try to. You're doing it. You make tunneling fun. Yes, we just tagged our first Meerkat. Hurry. Off we go! That piece... Excellent! That's Meerkat number 2. Nice!
Time's up! It's over. Our tunneling game is done. You tagged this many Meerkats. Even better, we had such fun! Click this button to play this game again. Or click this button for a different Meerkat game.
Click here to go back to the math safari and choose a new game.
Or you can click here to take a look at the page you just collected for your animal book. Play again. Meerkat Jubilee. Back to my animal book.